Hello friends, today I am going to make a jello pudding. It takes a little time in preparing this, but believe me, it's worth making. You will need jello. I have used 4 flavors: apple, blackcurrant, mango, cherry. You can use flavors of your choice too. Eggs, cashew nuts, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla essence, mixed fruit, gelatin, sugar. Separate the egg whites and beat it. Gradually adding the sugar until fluffy. Now open the sweetened condensed milk and add it to the egg yolks. And beat it well. Add a little water and beat it again. Take a pan and add the sweetened condensed milk and heat it. Stirring all the while till it comes to a slow boil. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Mix and beat it for about 2 minutes. Mix gelatin with hot water. Add to the egg mixture and beat well. Now add the vanilla essence. Now I'm taking the already prepared egg whites and sugar mixture and adding it to the sweetened condensed milk mixture and beating it well. Now prepare the jello. You can make it accordingly to the instructions in the packet. I have it prepared according to the instructions in the jelly packet. Take a mold greased with butter. Pour the first prepared jelly, set it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Take it out and pour the egg mixture on the set jelly as shown in the video. And refrigerate for about 10 minutes. Now take it out from the refrigerator. Repeat this pattern with all the flavors of jelly. Every time you layer it, you need to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Which means each layer needs to be refrigerated for 10 minutes. In between each layer of jelly mixture, Remember, you need to pour egg mixture too. And each of it needs to be refrigerated for 10 minutes. You have to prepare each flavor of jelly separately. After you have done with the last layer of jelly and the egg mixture, set it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out and slightly insert a butter knife and loosen it around. Now cover the top with a plate and slowly turn it upside down. Very gently take off the mold. Decorate it with crushed cashew nuts and chopped mixed fruits. Your mixed jelly pudding is ready. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more updates.